Hey guys, how's it going? How to connect your Notcoin to Telegram wallet. So to connect your Notcoin or any other cryptocurrency to your to a Telegram wallet, follow these steps. Note that Telegram does not natively support all cryptocurrencies, so ensure Notcoin is compatible with the wallet service that you plan to use. So first of all, make sure that you open the Telegram wallet bot. Popular options include add crypto wallet bot or wallet bot at wallet bot, bot or other third-party wallet bots that support your cryptocurrency. Start the chat with the wallet bot by tapping start, and then follow the instructions provided by the bot to set up your wallet. This usually involves creating a new wallet or linking an existing one. Some bots might ask you to create password or provide recovery phrase. Ensure you store this information securely. Once the wallet is set up, you will get a wallet address specific to that bot, and then transfer Notcoin from your current wallet or exchange to this new wallet address. Use that deposit or receive the function in the bot to find your address. Use the bot commands to manage your Notcoin. Commands might include checking your balance, sending Notcoin, or receiving Notcoin. And for specific commands, refer to the bot's help section or user guide. By following these steps, you can connect and manage Notcoin or any other supported cryptocurrencies through Telegram wallet bot. Always ensure the bot and wallet service you use are reputable, and to avoid potential scams or security issues. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you.